glam. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome. Today is another day, another backdrop, and another video for you, which I'm pretty excited. One thing is this backdrop is completely random. I didn't plan a thing for this backdrop. I kind of took things that I had. I went downstairs in our basement where I store everything that I make, most of the stuff. Store there, and I just went there. I looked at the stuff that I had, and this backdrop just happened. It happened to be a very white and gray, and I would say glam backdrop. So if you want to see how I made this backdrop and what's going on with this backdrop, then stay tuned and let's get to it. Here you guys, I want to explain a few things before I end this video. I took 2 strips of gray fabric and I draped them on an angle and on an angle here as well. And to make sure I have this white triangle left, I pinned my fabric to my white fabric that is behind the gray fabric with pins with pearls on top. You can use safety pins, pin your fabric really nicely and securely to your backdrop. Also, I took my crepe paper flowers and flat white construction paper flowers from my previous videos. I will link those in the description down below. And I pinned everything you see here on a pin with a pearl on top. Then I took these 4 brooches you see here to make it more glamorous, I guess, and more shinier than it was before. And I took these brooches, I pinned them to my fabric, and then my feathers, by the way, these are ostrich feathers, and I stuck my feathers behind the brooches, and it holds really securely and really nicely. Also, a few of these feathers are pinned on a pin with the pearl on top. I will link, as I said, everything in the description down below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Alright you guys, so in the comments down below, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll be there to answer and help you in any possible way that I can. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye.